to wake up with Spotify music. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device and search Google Clock app. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply download the Clock app of Google. After it's installed, simply press on Open. Then click on Alarm at the bottom left corner of your screen. In Alarm, simply add your alarm. After you've turned on the alarm, click on the alarm. Here, click on Sound. After you've clicked on Sound, at the top you'll find Spotify. Click on Spotify. Then it will take some time to load. Then you'll find all the Spotify music in here. Simply click on the one you prefer. After you clicked on it, press on the tick mark and go back. Then the sound will be selected. Press on Save at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you're good to go. This is how to wake up with Spotify music. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.